Hi, we're Immobiliser Fit, and today I've installed the IFTrack Plus on this BMW 3 Series. This one's brand new with 37 miles. And this is just a standalone tracking system with a remote immobilisation. For obvious reasons, we haven't shown the location of the vehicle, but the way it works, they can live view it on here. It's just a normal vehicle, it drives around, it'll update as and when they want. They can go and look at it, see where they've been and so on. If the vehicle gets stolen, they can do a remote immobilisation. So if someone done a relay attack on this vehicle, went to steal it, drove away with it, they looked on the app, saw where it was and they wanted to shut it down, they go into the app, press and hold on here, cut off, type in their password, press OK. As you'll see, it will send a command to the vehicle, and then next time the vehicle's turned off, after a successful command, it won't start again. There we go. So now, if the thief come back to it to try and drive it on, it's not going to start up. So this is perfect for fleet vehicles, leasing vehicles and so on. So you can shut it down remotely, say if someone hasn't paid or one of your drivers has gone off with a vehicle. And then once you've got the vehicle back and you're in it, recover the vehicle, type in your password, press OK, and it'll all be back to normal. So this is the IFTrack Plus. If you want to get one of these fitted, give us a call on 0208 212 7393. Thanks for watching.